We grabbed, loaded, and blasted with every blaster you'll see today. And trust me, 2025 has raised the bar. Stick around as we break down the best blasters that had us ducking, dodging, and grinning from ear to ear. Oh, and every product we featured is linked in the description below, along with the best prices. Let's get to the action. We kicked off our testing with the Nerf N-Series Agility Blaster, and wow, this thing lives up to its name. On the field, it's lightning fast and super lightweight, perfect for quick dodges and run-and-shoot action. The rotating 6-dart drum gave smooth reloads, and those N1 darts flew straight and true with solid impact. It's definitely built for speed-focused players who want minimal lag and a maximum mobility. After a full afternoon of backyard skirmishes, this blaster earned serious respect. Product links and best deals are in the description. Trust us, it's worth a look. Then we handed the Nerf Elite Junior Rookie Pack to our younger testers, and it was pure joy watching them get into the game. The blasters are so easy to use, low tension pulls and front loading made it super accessible. The 32 darts lasted a while, and those 4 brightly colored targets were a hit, literally. It's the kind of kit that turns any space into a Nerf arena. Safe, fun, and confidence building, especially for first-time foam warriors. Hit the description to grab this family-friendly pack at a great price. For next level intensity, we loaded up the Nerf Pro Gelfire Mythic Blaster, and this thing changed the game. With over 1,600 hydrated rounds, semi and full auto modes, and a rechargeable battery, it's like stepping into pro territory. The burst on impact Gelfire rounds added an adrenaline rush we didn't expect. They're fast, accurate, and way cleaner than paintballs. The hopper system and safety glasses kept things slick and safe throughout testing. If you're ready to move beyond foam darts, check the description. This blaster is absolutely epic. Our sharpshooters were excited to try the Nerf N-Series Pinpoint Dart Blaster, and it quickly became a favorite. The bolt-action reload felt satisfyingly tactical, and paired with a 10-dart clip and targeting scope, our testers were nailing precision shots from 20+ feet away. The extended barrel helps with stability, and the darts stayed accurate even with repeat use. It's definitely the go-to blaster for calculated, long-range strikes. Ready to hit your mark? Tap the description for links and deals on this elite performer. And to wrap it all up, we brought out the Nerf N-Series Duo Pack. And let me tell you, dueling has never been this fun. 2 ward blasters, compact, and quick to reload, made for high-energy back-to-back matches. The kids loved switching sides, running between cover, and trading darts like pros. With 12 N1 darts included, the action stayed non-stop. If you're hosting a party, setting up outdoor games, or just want double the blaster fun, check the description and pick up this dynamic duo. Each of these Nerf guns was tested hands-on by our crew, and we only featured what truly delivered on fun, function, and foam firing satisfaction. Whether you're starting your collection or upgrading your game, these are the top blasters of 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite in the comments. Product links and best prices are waiting in the description.